A Christmas Eve monologue sent to me some years ago by Victoria Wood. It was Christmas Eve in the Crescent. All the children were in their pyjamas. All the parents were snappy, very tense and unhappy, except two who were in the Bahamas. A child lay asleep in his bedroom. He was horribly red-faced and porky. He'd caused family rifts by requesting as gifts an iPad, 10 quid, and a Yorkie. In the lounge sat his mother and father in not the most pleasant of humours. Grandma was there, collapsed in a chair, having just overdosed on satsumas. It was cold in the lounge room that evening. They had a gas fire, but they'd lost it. It was frozen and murky. So was the turkey. They'd left it too late to defrost it. The door of the lounge room burst open. There stood Santa Claus, reeking of liquor. He said, "I'm 19 stone 2. I got stuck down the flue and I've come through the door because it's quicker." "Well, what do you fancy for Christmas?" said Santa, all twinkly and merry. "Fur coat to a bike. You can have what you like. In the meantime, bung over the sherry." Well, they couldn't decide what they wanted. A new car, a subscription to Booper, a pedestal mat. Well, they thought about that. And Father Christmas passed out in a stupor. He was out of his brains. He was legless. The late night and the sherry had wrecked him. He lay on the floor till 3:45 when some reindeer arrived to collect him. Santa waved from the sleigh and said, "See you! Merry Christmas and be of good cheer." As he rose from the crescent, Mum said, "Where's our present?" He said, "Sod it, I'll bring it next year." Merry Christmas. God bless.